Hey guys, thank you for watching. There is one thing I hate about this really beautiful car, and that is when you're opening the cap, you always have to struggle with this little wire. So today I will show you how you can solve this. So to solve this little wire problem, we are going to make an extension cord so we can reroute the wire all the way to the back and then it goes into the receiver box. So let's get started. Some things you will need for this are just some tiny connectors. I just had these laying around. I just save always all the connectors and wires because they can come in handy at the other time. So what you can do is just cut the original wires and just put some extra in between them. Or you can make like an extension cord, what we are going to do, and then you do not have to cut into the original wires. So first of all we are going to solder those together, and then we are going to install it into the car. So let me heat up the soldering iron. And then we are going to strip the leads. That should do it. And do not forget to put some heat shrink tube over the cables before you are going to solder them to each other. Otherwise, yeah, you won't have got a very nice secured connection. And you can make a short circuit. So that's the basics. Now let's solder them together. Okay, and that's how you make a little extension cord. So now we are going to install it inside the car. So let's open the cap and remove the tiny connector. When you're putting this into each other, just make sure the polarity is the same. So black should be in black and red into red. And now you are just able to reroute the wire. Alright guys, I have finished with the cable. Let me show you what I have done. If you look underneath here, you won't have got any problems with the cable anymore because we have extended the cable. I just rerouted it underneath the battery compartment, then around the stud for your suspension, and then over this little edge over here with just a piece of tape, and I just painted it black so it won't be visible anymore. And just one small cable tie right over there and a couple of pieces of tape to hold it inside the body. Alright guys, that was it for today. If you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.